Communication is one of the core features for FAB Builder's ES tool. It supports integration of multiple channels for communication in live mode so that you can interact with your customers and leads easily and quickly. Adding a new channel for communication is very straightforward. You go to Settings, App Settings, click on the communication, click on Add Channel, select the channel of your choice. For example, if I go with WhatsApp, just giving an example, I can name CS tutorial WhatsApp. If I want to select any color for it, I can go for it. FAB ID, let's put XXX, phone ID, YTTT, YYY, phone number is this one. Save. So a new channel is added now. We can go to chat section. We can select any of the existing contact. For example, this one. Over here, I can select the channel CS tutorial WhatsApp. Clicking on the compose. I do not have any template. Otherwise, I can choose a template and click on the send button. Let's try out some test channels. Let's go with demo WhatsApp, for example. If I click over here, I can have like two templates, hello world and OTP notification. Over here it is expecting us to enter a code, let's say 980245, and the body name is, button name is copy. Alright, we can just click on send. So you can see the message has been sent successfully. And it will appear over here.